Moldings, profiled timber information. Moldings are decorative strips of wood, often made from timber, that are used to add detail and visual interest to surfaces such as walls, ceilings, and furniture. Profiled timber refers to wood that has been cut or shaped into specific profiles or shapes, such as moldings or trims. Moldings can come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes, from simple and understated to intricate and ornate. Some common types of moldings include crown molding, which is typically used to add detail and elegance to the junction between walls and ceilings, baseboard molding, which is used to cover the joint between the floor and the wall, and casing molding, which is used to frame doors and windows. Profiled timber can be used in a variety of applications, including furniture making, cabinetry, and construction. It can be used to create decorative trim, moldings, and paneling, as well as structural elements such as beams and rafters. Some common types of profiled timber include tongue and groove boards, which have an interlocking joint that allows them to fit together tightly, and beveled boards, which have a tapered edge that creates a V-shaped groove between boards. Timber moldings and profiled timber are often made from hardwoods such as oak, maple, and cherry, as well as softwoods such as pine and spruce. They can be purchased pre-made from hardware stores and lumber yards, or custom made to match specific design requirements.